Good morning, my dear children. I hope everyone is very good at home and everything is going well also. Am I right? Yes, children. So, now continue with the study. Previous period of GK, we have completed page number 44 and 45. Right? According to our textbook, children, the third unit is going on, that is the environment, world, and its people. Okay? Yes. So children, today we are going to continue with this unit only, but from page number 52 and 53. Okay. So everyone, you will open your textbook page number 52 and be ready with pencil, eraser, sharp the pencil properly and write in neat and clean handwriting. Okay. Yes. So children, on page number 52, there is a topic that places in the news. Okay. Now we'll see first what are the places. See children, the world is full of beautiful places that most of us don't even know about it. From breathtaking waterfalls and jaw-dropping natural wonders to mysterious lost cities and quaint landmarks, you are never short on things to see or do. See children, in the images on this slide, in this images also you can see the different places of the world. Okay, these images are not related to particular country, all over the world you can see. Okay, yes. Now children, here on page number 52, the question is given, that is, name these countries, choose the correct answer from the box. Yes, my children, here the places in the news, and on this page the clues are given, explanation is given. What we have to do is we have to read the sentence properly and then we have to write the correct answer. The options are given below, that is Korea, Japan, Thailand, Afghanistan, China, Bangladesh, Vatican, Bhutan. Right, these are the options. Okay, so now let's start. The first sentence is, this country shares the waters of the river Teesta with India. Children, do you know such country who shares the water of the river Teesta with India? Which country? See the options: Korea, Japan, Thailand, Afghanistan, China, Bangladesh, Vatican and Bhutan. Okay. Just try to find out, my dear children. And the answer is Bangladesh. So everyone, write with me. Bangladesh. Written? Yes. Second number is, many years ago these two Asian countries, just a minute. Many years ago these two Asian countries were one. Sadly, they are still not at peace with each other. They are North and South dash. See, here are the options: Korea, Japan, Thailand, Afghanistan, China, Bangladesh, Vatican, Bhutan. Read the sentence one more time. Many years ago, these two Asian countries were one. Sadly, they are still not at peace with each other. They are North and South. Which country is there, children? It's Korea. Yes, so write down Korea, Korea. Written? Okay. The third number is in 2013 he was elected Pope and took the name Francis as the head of the Catholic Church. He is also the head of Dash City, the smallest, what is there? Country in the world. Which city is the smallest city in the world, children? Do you know? See, in 2013 he was elected Pope and took the name Francis as the head of the Catholic Church. He is also the head of the Dash City, the smallest city in the world. You can find out from the options. Which is the smallest city in the world? Do you know? Yes, children, it is Vatican City. So write down Vatican, Vatican City. Okay, so till here everyone completed? Shall we continue with the fourth number question? Okay. Shall I erase this? Yes, children. Here is the fourth number question. This country shares a border with Pakistan. It is a very poor country in Asia and has suffered a lot due to war. Now, children, try to remember in the SST that in the third lesson of SST we have learned that the neighboring countries of India and which country shares its border with India, or India shares its border to with which country. Now try to tell this country shares a border with Pakistan. It is a very poor country in Asia and has suffered a lot due to war. And the options are here: Japan, Thailand, Afghanistan, China, Vatican, Bhutan. From that Vatican, third number answer is there. So Japan, Thailand, Afghanistan, China, Bhutan. With Pakistan, it is asked, children. So which is the country? It is Afghanistan. Which is that country? Afghanistan. So everyone write with me. Afghanistan. Afghanistan. Fifth number. The king of this Asian country is Jigmekhesar Namgyel Wangchuk. The air is cleaner than most other countries. Now which, children? The king of this Asian country is Jigmekhesar Namgyel Wangchuk. The air is cleaner than most other countries. Now tell me which country's king's name is this? That is Jigmekhesar Namgyel Wangchuk. And from which country the air is most cleaner from the other countries? Yes, children, it is Bhutan. So write down with me. Bhutan. Bhutan. Written. Now the sixth number. The people of this Asian nation call their country Nippon. It has more than 1,500 islands. Its capital city will host the 2020 Summer Olympic Games. Which is the city? The people of this Asian nation call their country Nippon. It has more than 1,500 islands. Its capital city will host the 2020 Summer Olympic Games. What is the name of the city, my dear children? Which country has more than 1,500 islands, children? It is Japan. So write down Japan. 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 Yes. Have you completed till here? Okay. I will rub this and then we'll continue with the next question. 7 number. It is progressing faster than all other countries, but it also has serious environment related problems. That is, 16 of the 20 most populated cities are in this country. See, children, now. It is progressing faster than all other countries. Very progressive country it is. But it also has serious environment related problems. 16 of the 20 most populated cities are in this country. Now tell me, which country is like this? Which is progressing faster than others, but it has serious environment related problems. And that the country is? It is China. So write down China. China. Yes. And last, Vajirang. Just a minute. Vajiralongkorn became the king of this country in 2016. Its earlier name was Siam. So what is this country? Vajiralongkorn became the king of this country in 2016. Its earlier name was Siam. What is that country? See, here are the options. And which option is remain? Last one, that is Thailand. So write down Thailand. Thailand. Completed? Have you understood till here, my dear children? Yes, very good. So I will rub this so that we can continue with the next page. Now on page number 53 it is given map mix up. See, children, when we were kids, we used to fancy a map. That is, even if we never understood anything, it felt great to locate places on it. Am I right? But now that we are grown up and things are different, so let us try to know all that we can about maps. This will help us in studying and understanding the world geography better. Now children, here some questions are related to the map. They are: now in your own find out book, write these sentences correctly and the names in bold need to be interchanged. Children, here the sentences are given and the names which are written in the bold letters, that we have to change. That are the wrong words. So we have to write it correctly. But one thing is there, children, here no options are there. So we have to write it by our own. Options are not given on this page, right? So we have to write it by our own. We have to find out the answers. Okay? Yes, so we will read the first one. The continent of Australia, first one is the largest desert in the world is the Russia. Now children, tell me one thing. Largest desert is asked. Just now we learnt in SST that is the desert part, the desert region, right? So which is the largest desert in the world, my dear children? Russia is the desert? No, it is not. So the largest desert in the world is Sahara Desert. What is the answer? Sahara. So we have to cut it and here write down SAHARA, Sahara Desert. Written. Second is the continent of Australia is covered in snow. Now do you know there are total 7 continents in the world. So from that 7 continent, the continent is of Australia is covered in snow. Is it really, children? Do you think so? The continent of Australia is covered with snow? No, it is wrong. So the correct answer is the continent of Antarctica. The continent of Antarctica is covered in snow. So we have to cut this word and write down Antarctica over there. Write down the spelling. Antarctica. The continent of Antarctica. Third number is the Arabian Sea is the largest saltwater lake. It is not really a sea, it has land all around it. Now children, do you know the Arabian Sea? So is it considered as the largest saltwater lake? No. It is not really a sea, but it has land all around it. So what will be that? It is Caspian Sea. So we have to cut Arabian Sea and instead of that write down Caspian. CASPIAN. Caspian Sea. SEA. Okay. Then fourth number, the largest country in the world is Sahara. Children, now Sahara is the name of a desert. So how it is possible it is the largest country in the world? So which is the largest country in the world? Who will tell me? Which is the largest country in the world? It is Russia. So cut this Sahara and write down Russia. 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 Fifth number, the highest waterfall on the earth is Angel Falls in Asia. Now children, in which continent the Angel Fall is there? Which is the highest waterfall on the earth. But it lies in which continent? It lies in South America, not in Asia. So write down SOUTH, South, Arica, South America. Okay. Everyone completed till here? Okay. Shall I rough this? The next is 6 number. The largest and deepest ocean in the world is Greenland. Children, which is the largest and deepest ocean in the world? Who will tell me? The largest and deepest ocean in the world. The largest ocean in the world is Pacific Ocean, not Greenland. So, we have to cut Greenland and write down Pacific. Just a minute, Pacific. And now write down ocean. O-C-E-A. N. Ocean. Pacific Ocean. Children, I am writing by E tool. That's why my handwriting is not in a proper way. But you will write by pencil and write it correctly. Okay. Then the 7th number is a glacier. A glacier is a slow moving mass or river of ice. The longest in the world is the Siachen Glacier on the Indo-Pak border in South America. Now children, where does it comes? A largest glacier, that is the Siachen Glacier, which is on the Indo-Pak border. But where it is? In the South America? Do you think really it is in the South America? Children, it is in Asia. So cut this South America and write down A S-I-A. It is Asia. Written. Number 8. The home of the dingo, the opossum and the emu is Antarctica. See here the name of the birds. The home of the dingo, the opossum and the emu is Antarctica. Is it correct? Antarctica is the wrong and the correct is Australia. So write down Australiya. It is Australia. Have you completed till here? Now 9 number is the largest island in the world is Pacific Ocean. Children, Pacific Ocean is the island. Do you think so? The largest island is asked, children. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. So which is the largest island in the world? The largest island is Greenland. So cut the Pacific Ocean and write down Greenland. Greenland. And the last, Mumbai and Goa are on the coast of the Caspian Sea. Is it really? You have seen Mumbai also, you have seen Goa also. So they are on the coast of which sea, children? Caspian Sea or Arabian Sea? Yes, they are on the coast of Arabian Sea. So write down Arabian, Arabian Sea, SEA. Okay, so have you completed till here? Now what is given here? Let's see, find out the names of another glacier, a waterfall and a sea. You can find out from the net also, Google. Very easy it is. You have to find out the names of another glacier, a waterfall and a sea. Okay. So children, I hope till here everyone understood. But still, if you have any doubts, any queries, you can feel free to ask me through the mail. My mail ID is ivbct@pratibhaintschool.org. Okay? Yes. So this was the homework for you. What you have to do is, you have to make a list of like this, you have to make the two columns. The first one is the countries of the world, and then you have to write the president or prime minister. For example, Pakistan. So who is the president? Mamnoon Hussain is the president, and prime minister is Shahid Khaqan Abbasi. So USA, Donald Trump. UK, Theresa May. Russia, Vladimir Putin. So like that, first you will write down the name of all the countries, and you will write down the name of the president or the prime minister in front of that. So this was the homework for you. Okay, I hope you have understood all the lesson. So take care of yourself and your family. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye. Have a good day.